Hello students, we are now going to see how we can do the promotion of our video. For doing it, we have multiple methods available. The first method we are going to see is with the help of Google AdWords. Google AdWords is the platform through which you can go ahead and advertise your video to other users with the help of video ads, and secondly it will help you get more views by the element of getting paid traffic onto your site, because it's a common marketing methodology. If you want to get quick results in a shorter time frame, you need to use some of the paid marketing methods, and in that Google AdWords would be the best and the most cheapest and optimal one to provide us satisfactory results. So let us check how we can implement Google AdWords. The first step is to go on the domain adwords.google.com and sign in with the help of your Gmail ID which you use. Once you sign in, you'd be required to fill certain details like your name, your time zone basis which you'll be seeing the reports in it. You'll be required to fill your currency details, because as it's a paid marketing method, you have to decide that in which currency you want to get your bills in. Past putting through your time zone and currency details, the next thing is to enter your card number. You enter your credit card or debit card number, and once you are done with that, you are ready to get started with creating ads. Definitely you would have seen the most common type of ads, like you can see these which are appearing on the screen. But when we want to promote our video specifically, we are going to do video ads. What video ads look like, let me show you an example. Here when I am searching for hair transplant, you can see there are these two videos which have the title of the video, then there is the description part and the name of the channel and the number of views they have got, and together with them there is an ad icon which is there associated with these videos, which is not there in the other videos. So this kind of videos which are having the ad icon, they are coming through the element of video ads. Thus you use the method of video ads in Google AdWords to see even your video as an ad. Secondly, when you play a video, before it also many a times there is this kind of ad which comes where you have the option to skip the video sometime, and sometime you do not have the option to do so. So even these kind of ads which appear before the main video, that too falls under the category of video ads. And to implement any of these, you need to use Google AdWords. So go ahead and sign in into the same, and then let me show you the further steps in the account itself. So this is the page where you should be landing past signing in into your account and filling the required details. The first step you need to do is click on this plus campaign tab, and in that go on the option of video. If your account is totally new, you may see instead of the plus campaign sign a button named as create your first campaign. So even if you see the same, you will go ahead and do the same step of clicking on that button. As this is an existing account, I'll implement this step of clicking on video. Once we do that, it will ask us for details about the campaign we want to run, in the form of asking for the name of the campaign and what kind of ads we want to run and other details. So here, as we are doing this paid advertisement, we need to keep some points in mind. The first point is about naming the campaign. So this name would be according to the product or service and the video we have created. For example, as we have the video of used cars, so I'll name the campaign as used cars promotion video. And if I want, I could also mention as to what is the main aim or objective. So I could say promotion video for lead collection or lead generation. So basis your product or service, you will first name your video. Then there is the next element of what kind of ads do you want to show. One kind of it is named as in-stream ad. That is the ad which appears before the video, which we had seen in this example. And other one is video discovery ads. This is the ad which appears when someone is searching for a video, like we have seen these two ads. And apart from this, a newer format which has came in picture recently is about creating small 6-second ads. So if you have a very small promotion video, you can use the other type. Otherwise, keep it as it is selected. Once we have seen that, the next part is about entering bidding and budget. We need to understand as to what bidding and budget means. Bidding in video ads is based on a method known as CPV or cost per view. What it means is you pay some amount for your video ad being viewed by the person. A view ideally is defined as someone going ahead and either clicking on an ad. In case of these kind of ads, if you click on them and you open that video, that is considered as a view. Or in these kind of ads, if you don't click on the skip button and view the ad, then it is known as a view. So that is the definition of cost per view. So that is one element. The second part is about budget. What it means is the bidding will decide that how much amount you will pay for one view of your video. The budget will decide how much amount you will pay in a complete day. Now, to understand this, let us take a simple example. Let's say you are charged a cost per view of, let's say, $1, and in all your video ad is viewed for 110 times in a day. Then your total spend on that day would be equal to $110. Now, here the budget is the element which will control what this total maximum spend amount will be. If I specify a budget of $50, whatever may be my cost per view, may it be $1, $2, as soon as $50 base limit is reached, my campaigns for that particular day will not run further. So I will only spend the maximum budget in a day which I decide with the help of this tab. Once we are done with that, the next thing is about selecting the location where you want to show your ads. Depending on the country or even depending on a region or a city, you can decide and select it from here. For example, I have selected United States. Maybe if I wanted to only advertise in Texas state, then I could go ahead and search for Texas, and I would find that I can target the state of Texas only. Or if I only wanted to target Texas City, I would also have the ability to target only the city of Texas. So that's the feasibility which is there in selecting your location, and past that click on save and continue. Once we are done with that, we will land on the page of adding more details about our ad, which we'll see in the next tutorial. Thank you.